Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen Giudetti and I live with my husband Michael Giudetti, for those of you who don't know. And today I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and clean out our tiny little fridge. We are definitely due for an upgrade, but I just wanted to show you guys what I do weekly to get the fridge nice and clean and just make sure that everything in there is fresh and used up or ready to be thrown out. I like to keep on top of it and make sure everything is super healthy and within date. So I absolutely love this turntable. I got it from Kmart, so I'll link that purchase in my description as well. And then I just literally grab a cloth and go over everything. But sometimes we can just end up throwing things in here because we just run out of time during the week, and that has been a real problem for us recently. But we started like a new motivation schedule so that we don't end up burning ourselves out. We get everything done, and it's just really important to make sure you keep happy and healthy and well balanced. But anyway, jumping into cleaning this out, and then later on in this video I'm going to make some honey mustard chicken for dinner. And so it's just a little short video, but also just what we did on this particular day. And I just wanted to share a recipe with you and just some motivation to clean out your fridge. So I hope that this video motivates you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it really supports us, and we love having you guys here watching our videos and supporting us. It means so much to us, and we absolutely love that we have this community and this YouTube family that is growing. So we thank you so much for that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that it motivates you in some kind of way to jump up and do something for yourself. Also, let me know your favorite meal or dinner recipes. I would love to try new recipes, so please DM me on Instagram or comment in the comments section below, and let me know what dinners you guys go to or what's your favorite go-to meal. I would love to know so I can have some inspiration.
You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow.
our delicious dinner. I'm just going to cook some brown rice in this rice cooker. This rice cooker is also from Kmart. I cannot recommend it enough. You can literally do anything with your rice in here. Add garlic, you can add chicken stock, vegetable stock, like whatever suits you and your needs. And then you just literally click it on to cook and it will click off when it's ready. I just love that little gadget and I think it's so perfect. I'm going to go ahead and prep some carrots as well. This little crisper I get questions about, it's also from Kmart. I will link it in the description box below because we love Kmart shops in this house. And I'm just going to go ahead and peel these and then chop them up ready for the honey mustard chicken. And Michael is an angel. He is behind me chopping up the chicken because I just can't deal with chicken. The slime just turns me off, so I am not about that, but that's fine. He's doing that for me because he is absolutely perfect. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pop this all in a pan, fry it all up with a little bit of coconut oil, which is like my OG, the coconut oil spray to use on our meals. And then you just pop it all in a pan, add in the honey mustard. This one's from Aldi, but you can make it from scratch. I just didn't really have the time. We are always looking for fast meals in this house because we are literally at work Monday to Friday, sometimes Monday to Saturday, and then trying to create videos. And it's just, system overload and trying to maintain the housework and everything like that. So we're always trying to look for quick meals, but I would love to have a little bit more time in the kitchen. So stay tuned for that because I will be spending a lot more time making videos and content in the future. So stay tuned for that. And other than that, the meal was so delicious. I really highly recommend that you try it. It was so quick to make as well, and you literally just pop on the rice. And I made extra rice because we can always use some for the next day or for lunch. So it's really helpful to have like the rice on hand, and it just makes me feel really prepared for life and like I'm doing a really good job. And I think that's really important, to take the small wins in life, even if they are so minute. Just take every win and wake up every day and just be grateful for everything that we have. And I just love celebrating the small wins, even if it's just driving to work safely or having the time to pick up a coffee on the way to work. I just love celebrating the small wins in life and being positive. So if I can inspire you to be positive today, then I have done my job here. But otherwise, I recommend trying this meal because it was so delicious. And just in finishing this video, I really want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it somewhat inspired you to clean out a drawer or clean out the fridge or whatever it might be, and to cook a nice home cooked meal. And yeah, that's my biggest thing here, is I just want to share every little piece of motivation that I have, and hope that I can give you guys nothing but happiness and help you go along through your day. I genuinely just care for people, and I really appreciate every single person that's here watching this, and I just hope that in some way I've motivated you, or even if I haven't motivated you and you've just loved watching this video, I'm so grateful. It's not always about motivation. Sometimes it's just being able to sit there and just watch someone's video. I'm a big believer in that. I do that a lot. So yeah, I can really appreciate it. But this meal was delicious, and I highly, highly recommend you try it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and support me in bringing you more videos like this.